Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to introduce the exciting new features for 2019 Montana High Country Fifth Wheels. So one of the first features that we added for the 2019 model year is the MORryde Step Above Entry Steps with the Strut Assist. Our customers love the MORryde entry steps on the Montana Fifth Wheels, so we've also added them to the High Country Fifth Wheels. The terrific thing about these steps is they have a great rise and run, very similar to the steps at your home. They're very sturdy because they're planted on the ground, so you're not going to bounce in and out of your fifth wheel. One of the great things about this version is they have the Strut Assist, so they're very easy to lift and put in the fifth wheel. No need to latch it in place because we have the strut holding it in place. And when I come to pull these down, they're weightless because of the Strut Assist on here. I can literally lift these and push these down with one finger. The next feature I'd like to show you is the new Road Armor suspension. So the Road Armor suspension debuted on the Montana Fifth Wheels last fall. It's now been added to the 2019 Montana High Country Fifth Wheels. The great thing about the Road Armor suspension is that it features rubber above and below the suspension to give you 360 degrees of travel and up to 6 inches of movement. We think this is one of the best suspensions out there. Another feature that I will note is 2019 Montana High Country Fifth Wheels are standard with framed windows. However, if you still like the look of frameless windows, those are available as an option. Our dual pane windows are frameless windows. So the optional dual pane windows are frameless. The standard windows are framed, giving you a little bit more ventilation inside the fifth wheel. Finally, before we head inside, we have made an improvement to the air conditioning system for 2019 Montana High Countries. The second air conditioner is now standard. It was optional in the 2018 model year. The second air conditioner is standard in the 2019 model year, and we made it bigger. So it went from a 13,500 BTU second air conditioner to a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. So 2019 Montana High Countries are now equipped with 30,000 BTUs of air conditioning. On top of that, we took the second air conditioner from a low profile air conditioner and upgraded it to a high profile air conditioner. That's going to provide much more power to the air conditioner. What we are seeing is an average of 200 CFMs more circulation through the ductwork. So cubic feet per minute of cold air going through the ductwork, we've increased that by 200 CFMs with the high profile second air conditioner. Let's head inside and look at some of the new interior features for the 2019 model year. So we're inside the 2019 Montana High Country 310 RE. One of the great new features for the 2019 model year is the Furrion 21-inch 2-in-1 oven and range. My favorite feature on the top here is that you've got a flush mount glass cover, very easy to use. So when we're not cooking, this provides us great countertop space. When I'm ready to cook, the flush mount cover moves easily out of the way, folds back, and then folds back one more time. Got a nice spring here to hold it back out of the way so you don't have to worry about it pushing your pans off the stove. The front burner on the range is an 8,000 BTU burner, so it's going to boil water very quickly. It's also going to bring pans up to heat very quickly. Of course, the grates on here have been upgraded to cast iron, so a lot heavier, a lot stronger than the grates on other ovens out there. Now down below, we've got this great oven. One of the great features on this oven is it's got a glass door. It's a triple pane glass door. The benefit of that is it's going to reduce the amount of heat being produced and pushed into the fifth wheel. So if you're cooking on a hot summer day, you're going to have less heat coming into your fifth wheel because of the triple pane glass door versus a thin metal door on other ovens. Now the oven is very large on the inside. The absolute best feature on this oven is that you do not need a lighter to light it. You actually use the pulse igniter to light this. So no more reaching down below with a trigger lighter and losing the hair on your hand when you're trying to light your RV oven. Now the last feature I'd like to show you on the inside is the little motion sensor light by the steps leading up to the bedroom bathroom. The great thing about that is if you come into a dark coach, it'll quickly illuminate the steps leading up to the bedroom bathroom, making it easier for you to find your way inside. For more information on Montana High Country Fifth Wheels, please visit KeystoneRV.com.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.